hasil diskusi kami dengan judul Creative Marketing Strategy Execution and Performance in Pakistan dengan anggota kelompok yang pertama Febriani Tumewu, yang kedua Febriana Tumewu, yang ketiga Yunita Lumiawa, keempat Sandra Febriana Tabuna, kelima Riana Nitalia Luto, yang keenam Stephen Tonriu, yang ketujuh Calvin Michael Carquez, yang ke-8 Rovinus Ngau Behar, yang ke-9 Agustinus Theodorus Naimau, yang ke-10 Frankie Lahulu, yang ke-11 Hendrik Livuse. Baik, saya mulai dengan pertama, yaitu tentang backgroup. This is now the destination that entails the negotiation to determine marketing objectives is often marketing strategy on implementation are listed as irritation strategies in captains and mental so LTS various moderators. B perfect G 6018 information care trends and industrial fast moving consumer goods. No deposit bond career for marcation domits the ansogram editorial multi-errors factorial analysis a regression multiple hierarchy from empirical parameters as to the hypothesis. This show good results for marketing purpose and effective implementation in a positive relationship and good design. A digital man in interconnects elemental AI adaptation strategies decimal harm file moderators naturals anesta.
The view of the location, which is the goal of determining the strategy's influence of marketing, creative fit, and effective effects for the same purpose as unides de negocias. Idemes, he orientation extract he incertubre moderadoral los datos son recolectados de 363 informates clef que trabajan en industrial fast moving consumer goods FMCG, banca, farmacéutica, química, seguros en ingeniería, utilizando una técnica de muestreo aleatorio paleotípica de probar y hipótesis del estudio. She used factorial analysis of the regression hierarchies multiples. Los indican result de hi estrategia de marketing creativo y inyecciones efectivas están asociadas positivamente al desempeño de negocios y demás.
Formulation of the problem. 1. How to inflation and the creative of marketing program in order to have an advantage in company in Pakistan. 2. How to inflation of marketing program creative on marketing performance in Pakistan. 3. How to inflation of company efforts in approving marketing performance in Pakistan. Destination 1. To explaining the expand to company sales strategy and engaging customers in news production development. 2. Play attitude to part in creative marketing strategy and presentation strategy of the company performance. Chapter 2. Discussion. Definiting of marketing strategy. Marketing is the activity of promotion and selling products, service. There is outlook process in determining what the target of the promotion will be and the promotion will look like. In this wise, the business can promote its product service more effectively.
2.2 Pay attention to two parts in the creative marketing strategy, presentation strategy of the company performance. A. Difference in the creative marketing strategy orientation. A creative marketing strategy is defined as a set of activities developed to promote product service for selective or full target markets to achieve business objective. For newcomers, the only way to stay in competition is to adopt an innovative strategy. Marketing creative is desperate as the steps into the competence of distinct practice in the marketing department. An organization that has unique, creative, or innovation strategy can hold a strategy position in the industry, and it is likely to be imitated by competitors. Research because an Eisenhower argued that firms only achieve positive goals in the day believe in records, decision-making process, innovative solutions, and creative strategy. For instance, Circuit du Soleil is the best example of very creative or blueprint strategy.
Innovative and creative business creative new strategies think innovatively and strengthen their competitive spirit industry by stimulating the customer demand. Innovative targets can comprise another business model, foreign competition, market expansion, customer driven predictive everything supply chain and offer mindful ranking cultural judgment. This marketing mix is the main reason for buying store. Link to ingredient organizational performance. Therefore, why introduce the following hypothesis.
Comparative performance strategy Pakistan asset to build creative and innovative strategies need be to conceive their organizational often completed defined strategy implementation out to an statement of a given series and guidelines. Consider investigative extension to accomplishment of organizational goal to appropriate assertion. Money research force of behavioral and international characteristic of strategy implementation were to academic literature suggests simpler than definition of marketing strategy implementation as to operationalization of clearly articulate strategy marketing plan.
Some recent here of N. Wording 2000 argued that the activities implementation of the boosting strategies is a sole responsibility of main level manager to their second role on and certain marketing situation. Despite their crucial role on only if the student address the dress of a substation implementation of creative strategies by main level manager working in marketing department and agreed that organization just producer are the chief factors driving the influence of the employee toward effective strategy implementation, as they are associated with clear of community strategy at the both managers and organization buy-in.
Conducted a research on 160 organizations observed over 5 years and concluded organizations that implement the strategies flawlessly have a high likelihood to achieve market success. To realize an effective execution of marketing strategies, top management is responsible to provide human resources, financial resources, direction, and a competitive environment. Identify the competition concept as a key success factor for organization due to its strategic complication, such as invisibility, competitive advantage, and difficulty in imitating package by competition. Numerous research effort hack effort understand different strategic behaviors for effective execution, such as market orientation, innovation, organization structure, marketing program, contents, and product market strategy for achieving higher market share and performance voices and Morgan 2003. Most research argued the true success in implementation is only achieved When organizations find the right fit in organizational characteristic and strategy, which led to superior performance. Hence, we introduce the following hypothesis.
Capture 3. Closing 3.1. Consolation and suggestion. This is chapter contains consolation and suggestion with respect in research that is expected to be useful in helping company management. Okay, thanks friends and lecturers for the time and opportunity. This is a presentation of the result of our group work, namely group 5. Thank you also for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.